present everywhere around us. We can't see air, but we can feel it. We can feel it while running, flying kites. A moving air is called wind. A gentle wind is called breeze, or we can say when wind blows gently, it is called breeze. When the wind blows very fast, then it is called storm. Air can give shape to the things as it occupies space. Air has weight. What does air contain? Air contains many gases, water vapor, dust, and smoke. Air contains gases like oxygen, nitrogen, and carbon dioxide in a big part, and many other gases also. Now do one thing, take a pan with water and keep it over the stove. When water starts boiling, you can see some steam coming out from it. That steam is called water vapor. Air also contains water vapor because these water vapors or steam gets mixed with the air. Thus we can say that the gaseous form of water is known as water vapor. Similarly, sun's heat also changes water from seas, rivers, ponds and lakes into water vapors. These water vapors mixes with the air. Dust particles and smoke are also a part of air. Living things need air to breathe. Oxygen is the most important gas for all living things to stay alive. Oxygen keeps the air fresh. We use our lungs for breathing. In the similar way, water animals like fish use their gills to breathe. Insects breathe through their tiny holes called spiracles. Oxygen is also important for the fire to exist, or we can say that we can burn the things because of oxygen only. So air is important for burning, as well as to put out a fire also we need to cut the oxygen, and we use carbon dioxide for it. Wind energy is used to produce electricity. These windmills are also used to grind wheat and corn, pump water, etc.